Igbo machine.
I have to do too much.
Keke, so here we go.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Nice to meet your grave. Photo. Makachineke, nice to meet your grave. You will soon meet your grave.
Not be juju be that.
Sorry for the people that will mourn you. Sorry for anybody that will sit down to mourn you. Look at what you have turned my son into. A boy I suffered to raise. His mother died when he was still a child. And I took him up. I raised him up. I took him by myself to myself and I raised him up.
Why you don't embarrass me now? Why you embarrass me in front of my babes?
KK, wire. KK, I know you want. Oh, really?
No shame.
Okay.
KK, a little bit through all the trainings and teachings I have been given to you. KK, I told you the day you got that money. I told you you train money to grow. So if you don't plan very well, then you plan to fail. I said it. I told you that even if it is 200 naira, plan to make that 200 to get up to 500 naira. Not you will use 200 to go to 200. From 100, then you finish it up. Because you pick ordinary small money. That your mates, if they get such money, they will invest into something. The only thing you could do for yourself is to buy expensive phone. Immediately you buy expensive phone, boutique in land have gone there to buy clothes. Carry my mobile from one hotel to another. What happened to investment? I invested. That is the reason you see place you are still living today as your own house. If I did not invest when I was younger, I wouldn't have gotten all I have today. That is the reason I keep telling you that you should follow the footsteps of your father. But no.
How many times will they tell you before you know that Nigeria is not for you?
Come on down, chill.
But I'm a second belief.
I'll go next week. You know. I mean, if you talk some money. That investment, give me investment. Come on down. I'm not car, but next week, I go out drop. Come on down.
Hey,
Papi, he's right.
I have washed hand and crack up and canel to foul.
You be mumu.
I have washed hand and crack up and canel to foul.
Oh my God.
Just imagine. Listen to yourself. Onye kwete ha kora. Eburi egba fama nna ya. Wure nwa yo ko ferro arozu ore gini. Use your head. But I can see you are thinking through your anus. Look at Ndegina Hasan. What have they to offer you? Nothing. Even before your father, they don't have shame. If you are mingling with people that have no shame, then what happens to your future? What can these people offer to you? If not to open their legs and then you climb and come down. That's the only thing they can offer to you. They will never give you any advice that you will benefit from.
You know, every boutique in the
Why?
I'm this thing, all this thing, and I call old school.
KK, are you sure you don't want it right now before Papi?
Come on, if a man, time on and time, Keta Ozi, area investment. Yeah, forget that. I will send you some money by next week. May I go drop over on this one.
How many times will they tell you before you know that Nigeria is not for you?
I have washed hand and cracked from camel to town. Look at my full drop. A full drop of my blood. Look at what he has turned himself to. workaholic, a walkabout son. How can I be proud to say that this person is my son? Because I'm not seeing myself inside of you. If your mother were to be alive, I will ask her, where did you begot this idiot? Because this is not me, and it cannot be me. You're telling me investment is in the future. He picks more money, but you only wait for Mbada to Kogo. Man, the bird at hand is better than the bird in the bush. If so many other young people would be wise and listen to my advice, that 100,000 naira you think maybe let me spend this one today and another one will come tomorrow, you can equally invest it in somewhere and it will yield more money. From 100,000 you can make it to 150,000. You don't waste the one you have today and expect to have tomorrow. What if tomorrow did not bring money again? What if tomorrow it did not bring any other thing again on your way? Because opportunity, they say, you come back once. God prepares you once, and once you miss that opportunity, forget it. Heaven bear me witness, I have done what I'm supposed to do as a father. But if you have refused to listen and bend down to hear from your father, it is left for you to play your part as a son. Because as it stands now, heaven will never hold me responsible. I have done my part. Eligwe manabal, eligwe nwere ka sheme ya. Agụrụ ya n'egwu, eligwe nwere otu o sheme ya. Eligwe nwere otu o sheme ya. I don't talk am.